Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. If you want to run your website on a subdomain like blog.yourdomain.com, shopyourdomain.com, or app.yourdomain.com using Hostinger Websites Builder, this is 100% possible in 2026 without moving your main domain or breaking anything. Most people fail here because they confuse root domains versus subdomains or use the wrong DNS record type, so we will not. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Hostinger Websites Builder to subdomains in 2026 like a pro. So first thing, prepare the site in Hostinger. So log into the Hostinger, go to website, select your websites builder project. So you have to be your account should be upgraded. Okay, so open domains or connect domain, choose connect a subdomain. Hostinger will give you a target value, usually something like your site.hostinger.com. Copy this value exactly, this is critical. Open your domain's DNS manager, go to whatever your DNS is managed, okay, and domain registrar, Cloudflare, custom DNS provider, open DNS settings or DNS records. All subdomain setup happens here. Okay, so create the subdomain CNAME record. So add the CNAME record type, host, target, TTL. Okay, save the record. This connects blog.yourdomain.com to Hostinger. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.